Hey there, my name is Leah and welcome to this video. I will be talking about how to get more leads for your business. But before I do that, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So basically, you want more leads for your business. How do you go about doing that without spending so much money on ads? Well, there are several ways that you can get free leads. But they do take a lot of work. So first of all, you have to have a platform that collects your leads. I use ClickFunnels in conjunction with ActiveCampaign as my email marketing on the back end. So on my ClickFunnels, I collect my email leads. So you want to be providing an offer that your audience wants. So something that is going to give them a lot of value. So you can exchange that with their email address. Now, email address is what we want to collect because we own our email marketing, so we can always have in contact with those audience. Now, you can have their email and then provide value and ask for the sale later on down the road, years to come. It's a good way to collect leads. So the best way to collect those leads is through YouTube. Now, YouTube is a very content-driven platform. So if you've noticed, when you search on Google, you'll see that YouTube videos are going to be the thing that pops up first. So if there is a video about whatever your audience is searching for, say you happen to be the only one who created a YouTube video about that, they'll click on that and it could drive to some lead generation and some sales. So all you would have to do is post a link to your landing page within the info on the bottom of your video so that they can click on, and you can possibly get their email and make the sale, or you can take them straight to an offering since you're already providing so much value to them. The second way is through blogging. Now, blogging is going to be a long-term game. So blogging is really great because years down the line you could be found. The same with YouTube. So if your content is great, it answers your audience's stuff, you could have within your blog to link to a lead generation page. Now, usually people who are searching for things on Google tend to be more active buyers, so they're looking for the answers. So if you have the lead generation set up on your blogging and you do a really good job on providing value, then they are more than likely going to stick around with your business, your brand, and you could possibly make this sale. And again, if you're collecting the email marketing years down the line, they could buy several times from you. Another way would be Pinterest. Pinterest, people think it's a social media platform, but it acts more like a Google search, because when you search on Pinterest, you can find all these articles. So if you have your blog, you can post your blog onto Pinterest where you can be found. Now, Pinterest is very content driven, and specifically in the female niche. So if you have anything that is female, so male niches also work well on Pinterest, but females niches really work well on Pinterest. It is said that Pinterest has the highest intent to buy compared to all the other social medias out there. And again, with Pinterest, just like YouTube and blogging, it will be found for years to come. Now, another way to drive traffic onto your landing page to collect more leads is through social media. Now, a lot of people work their social medias, but they're never collecting the emails. So you want to collect the emails because social media could crash anytime, or the company could get sold, bought, disappear, and all your followers would disappear. You want them to go down to your email list so you can have contact with them all the time. You own the email list, you do not own social media. So that's why we should be owning all our lists and not relying on social media like Instagram, that we have all these followers and we can communicate with them through that way. There's been no, Instagram has been known to like completely just block someone, get rid of profile of someone. So people have lost their Instagram account. So it's why collecting emails is a really great way to communicate with your audience. Now, Facebook groups, like I said, social media, but Facebook groups is another way. So if you go into a specific niche that you are part of, a great way would be joining those groups in that way and providing value and possibly collecting the leads and making that connection with other people. Now, another way is through message boards. Message boards are really great, like Quora and Reddit, because people are always searching for stuff on message boards also. Like that will pop up on a Google search. So if you are on there providing value when someone asks questions, then you could possibly lead them down into your lead generation. So with these ways, YouTube, blogging, Pinterest, and message boards, those can be found for years to come because it is all searchable content. Social media, on the other hand, is once you've posted, things disappear. So the focus, if you really want long-term organic traffic going down to your lead generation, the best way is to go onto those YouTube, Pinterest, blogging, and message boards. Social media is really great for building up brand and connecting with your audience and all of that stuff, but you don't own the platform. You have to be collecting the leads for that, and you have to be posting consistently on social media because it will just go down the feed. But social media, on the other hand, is a great way to be in the face of your customer or your audience, versus the other ways are kind of harder because you have to be found. This one is you're more in their face every single day or however often you post. But those are basically the top ways to generate traffic onto your lead generation. Now, again, if you haven't started with your platform, you haven't collected leads or anything, don't know how to do that, I do have a separate video on how to go about doing that with ClickFunnels and ActiveCampaign. You can find that down below. For more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship, please subscribe to this channel and make sure to like this video so I can make more videos for you. Have a great day.